All right, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo that just arrived. So this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and the label on this one is Chrome Skull, and it was made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. Made in the USA, of course. Nothing really special about the box or the insert. Now this one is a nice flamey skull, that chrome helmet. Kind of looks like it could be on a Harley Davidson. Yeah, it's a street chrome, and it looks like it was made in I of 17, which is, I think that's September. Good stampings on this one. Got a real good sound with a steel insert. Lights up really nice. That's a flaming skull with a helmet. Zippo likes to make skull lighters, and this is a pretty good one. Let's do a drop test on this skull. A flaming drop test. Okay, so this Zippo passed the drop test nicely. It's a flaming skull, made in the USA, and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.